The quality of care we give to our customers is huge. I'm Andres with Restoration One. I've been partners with Franky and Alfonso for 6 years now. It's Restoration One of Central San Antonio and Restoration One of Corpus Christi.
Why I ultimately decided to move forward with Restoration One, I think Andres and Alfonso can share this sentiment to a certain degree. I would say a big driver in the decision was the corporate team at the time.
When we were looking at different options, I think one of the deciding factors into Restoration One was the amount of broadness there was to the franchisees.
My favorite part about owning an R1 franchise is the collaboration top to bottom from not only corporate team but other franchisees, right? And we all understand that we're kind of in this together. The culture that corporate has created has been awesome, top to bottom, in terms of working hard, gathering data, understanding your numbers, the flexibility of being able to work as hard as you want and be able to kind of step back and enjoy the family. Or it's a little easier to be able to say, you know what, I'm gonna take this time off without having to ask anybody. It's a cool experience.